In a quiet town nestled in the woods, a talented woman named Alara transformed her passion for nature into a breathtaking art form. She discovered her unusual talent while playing in the forest as a child, crafting sculptures from fallen branches and leaves. Over the years, Alara honed her skill, perfectly intertwining her artistic vision with the beauty of the environment. Her installations are not only visually stunning, they also raise awareness about conservation and the importance of preserving the planet. Watch as Alara demonstrates her remarkable process and shares how her creativity has inspired her community to rethink their relationship with nature.